Hello. And welcome to Artistic Studio. Today, we talk about Artistic Studio, mission and journey. So, first we talk about journey. Artistic Studio was established in 2019 by Ubaid-ur-Rehman. Ubaid-ur-Rehman is the CEO of Artistic Studio. Our CEO started his artist journey in the age of 12 by designing 3D houses models. After that, in the age of 15, he learned graphic designing by respected Sir Asif Babu. After learning graphic designing, he properly entered in the field of artist and creativity. Now he had 8 years experience in graphic designer, and he is known by its work because he is one of the best designer in sialkot industry. And after completing 5 years in graphic designing, he started to learn web designing and development. And now he also had 3 years experience in web designing and development. In 2019 he thought to make a team of world's best artists, so the Artistic Studio was born. Mission of our CEO. Our mission is to make the Artistic Studio world best IT company and make the best free IT courses institution for young people. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and follow us on social media at Artistic Studio.